Hi guys, in this today video I'm going to review and build a cool Lego logo pattern with this Lego dots lovebirds 41912 set. It has 33 pieces. Of course, one is this rubber band and it has 32 of these colorful tiles. I think it's quite cool. I never had a dot set before, so this is my first dot set. I'm interested how this whole dots things work and how does this rubber band look in real life. So I think let's open and build the Lego logo pattern. So here I have the set open. So we have this rubber band which can just be put on your hands if you attach this. I think it's quite cool, and of course you can build on these studs. So here we have these tiles. Of course these ones are printed pieces, so there aren't any stickers in the set. And we have actually quite much colors like orange, yellow, pink, some light purple, light green, and yeah, I think it's quite cool. So before filming this video, I've come up with a pretty cool design when I'm going to build up the Lego logo on these rubber bands only with these tiles. So now I will build it. So here is the design. Here you can of course pause the video and look at the design. So now I'm going to build it. Actually I use these parrots design, these birds, from the packaging because they look quite cool. I think the most difficult to design was the E in the Lego logo because it's kind of a weird E. So of course you can build these with any colors. I just like these colors the most. I think it looks very good. And you can't only build it with this, you can of course build it with any dots products which has these tiles. I like this pattern very much. I think it looks very cool. So here it is finished. I think it can be recognizable that it's the Lego logo. I like that the parrots just like look at the Lego logo, and if you attach the band, then here it is. So I think it looks very cool. This is my own design. Of course you can build any design with this set. And thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Goodbye.